Hindi naman natin masabing all's well that ends well. Dahil sa sobrang dami nang namatay dyan sa conflict between Hamas and Israel. But just the same, if only to give medyo gasgas na peace a chance, this is most welcome. Parang ano to exit good news on the part of Joe Biden. And apparently ay meron na talagang details ang agreement na ito. Pero Rapi, with the 15 months of conflict, we can see that the battle or the war has already run its course. If you will look at Gaza and the affected areas, talaga namang there's nothing there anymore.
Ground zero na.
Oo. So, ang next phase would be rebuilding lives and rebuilding the city. And of course, making sure that this does not happen again by, number one, resolving the root cause of the conflict between Israel and the Palestinian people. Medyo malayo yan, pero there is always hope when it comes to these matters. No? So, ang rebuilding niya, parang nung World War II din, no? When the United States presided over the restructuring and the rebuilding of Japan, which was heavily damaged. Parang sign of goodwill yan, that ayusin natin yung nasira. And kaya ang niyan, that is a very relevant. And we will see in the coming months how this a truce would bring about the normalcy sa buhay dyan sa, hindi lang dyan sa Gaza, kundi dun sa fringes of Israeli communities that were targeted by the terror group Hamas when they conducted the October 7, tama ba?
Yes.
October 7, 2023
Attack.
attack.